Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe it.
Another challenge you, another challenge you, another challenge you, double challenge you. Another challenge you, another challenge you, another challenge you, double challenge you. The plan which you set, you must dissolve it. Another challenge you, this one serious challenge you. Another challenge you, another challenge you, another challenge you, double challenge you. You tell us we are lazy, we come to tell you. We are vibrant youth, we are not lazy at all. Another challenge you, another challenge you, another.
So you should hear our voice. You should come and answer to us. Look, people are going on
You need to hear the voice. Hear the voice.
They represent us.
People right. People are suffering.
Represent us. Represent ourselves.
We want good government. We want good government. We want good government.
So may we do it, Mary.
2020, liberation for the youth. 2020.
Nigeria is under construction by Nigerian youth. Get it.
We don't get up, but we get waiting.
This is the new Nigeria. The Nigeria of the future. This is the future we will dream of. Nowadays, our fathers cannot help us. We are helping ourselves. For once, we are standing to speak in unity. We are not talking about religion, yeah? We are not talking about... we are all the same here. We have no leader. We are collectively collaborating, conducting ourselves. They have not given us a good example. We want to teach our father the example that is shown to lay for us. This is corruption that we cannot live with. It is a war we are want to tell you. This is a cause we die for. This is a cause we die for. Nigeria is the Nigeria that we are suffering. Nigeria. We have to give ourselves. For once, we want to see what we want. Since our government cannot help us, we want to help ourselves. If there is a constitution, we are exhibiting our constitution. This is what we want. If they really believe in this constitution, they will help us.
My people.
The protest is still going.
My
They give
people.
us our demand.
Yeah. Don't worry. Life they come. Opa. My people. We there. And they tell you I say we there where we there. That's us okay. Greatest Nigerian youth. We did forget nothing they have one. But I beg, see, my people, as AY talk, we no fit fight ourselves for it. Now government we go fight for here. I be no be so. No be so. So I beg, bring your brother's keeper for here. We don't need to fight ourselves fight. Why would they do like this? When we waiting, when we focus. Don't stay alone. Ladies, be in groups. And let's stay within this circle. But we don't walk up and down. We get here together. They think all of us. What do carry come? Unless they want this ground, make ground swallow us and ground will swallow us. Ground will swallow you. Ground will swallow you. Any government. We don't want to hear our story. We go to now them something. Hey. We are not there yet. Tell your neighbor, your face show. Your face show. Because my own face show. My face show die. It die. Oh, my king. Oh, any government we no want to hear our story. We go waiting. Now to the form. And sọ̀rọ̀ sókè. I say any government we no want to hear our story. We go. I think come up. well, upcoming, man. Upcoming. Area. Any government, we no want hear our story. We go. I say, we go. Nigeria, jaga, everything. Hey, for money. Hey. I say Nigeria, jaga, everything. Hey, for money. My people, we don't need that government for almost 2 weeks. May they end SARS, end SWAT, reform the police. They do like this. But within 5 hours, they feel call curfew. So they're here. That means we they talk, Abi. We they talk, but we never allow outreach. So somebody give me Emma Soros, okay. Hey. 5-4. 5-4. And SARS and SWAT. We will start on that. Are you ready? And SARS and SWAT and SWAT and SARS and SWAT and SARS. Hey. The ginger just take my body anyhow. They do me crazy. Hey. When I talk government, Ijawa, we always. Hey, they want to whine us. They say curfew. When they be COVID. Okay. But I don't worry. Last person. But please, if you have your phone, if your phone is still fully charged, go on your Facebook live, Instagram live. When they call them, say we sit there. When they say we never run. Go on your Facebook live, Instagram live, Twitter live. Go live. Share it live.
Okay, so I just get right now say those people before when we clear out, we say make them move because you be and we dey expect police. We say make children go stay one place. I beg, wait till be time now. Wait till be time. Shebi we still there. Now those people won't resume so that anybody will need anything go fit buy. How much did they make the money? No clean and small thing. How much be mineral? How much be small puff? Some boys stay there. They tell them say they go give them 1,000 first before they do anything. I beg. All the people when they there, if you they hear my voice and this thing you they do, I need you to either come join this protest or now they go in the house. Either you come join this protest or they go in the house. I beg, leave those people alone. Please.
I beg, when we announce a situation, we not talk say make everybody can't go and do the situation. Because when the crowd don't too much, problem go constant on a day. May we chill now, take a chill pill, guys. Take a chill pill. We are here. We're not tired. We're going nowhere. Pill. We announce if you have a car and you can turn on your light, please turn on. We're already working on the light. But don't panic. Don't be afraid. If you sit down for one place, if you see person where one run from behind, just hold the next person. Make the next person hold the next person. Let the next person hold the next person. It's a chain walk. Nobody can break it. And then there won't be stampeding, there won't be crisis. The girl where in Jakarta where we announce, we don't carry and go hospital. As we announce and make you for know some people there with us, they don't treat the girl. So things are working. All right, now I'm on our word first. See, we good citizens of Nigeria. We got to organize. When we put ourselves together, they misrepresent us. May we clear them. So may we not run, may we not shake, may we not scatter anything, not steal anybody's thing. See, if you see anybody, see that boy, we help somebody see phone. Now everybody, before you know him, person don't gather. They don't give up money where even pass the phone where you see. But not if you see phone. nobody there yet to contribute. Me as a day here now, I don't get any cover again. You know what's in the happen. So and I day here like this, I don't worry. Well, since yesterday I never eat and I don't care. I just drink water. I do alright. Nothing do me. God my strength. There is a cause. We are running that cause, and we must win the fight. We must win the battle. We are here to win. We are not here to retreat. We are here until we are attended to. So let's not get distracted. Let's be focused on the goal. There is a goal. The purpose why you left home. If we don't achieve that purpose, we are failures. Because our government are failures, we will not look like a failure generation, of which we are not failures. We are winners. We are giants. Keep that in your spirit and walk like a giant. For once in your life, be sincere. Take care of the next person beside you. Don't push anybody. See, if any celebrity won't come, men and find their way anyhow. Men and not enter this crowd. We don't want to know their face. They're supposed to talk to us. They're supposed to help us before. We don't want to know. So not allow anybody break this chain. Let's stay organized. Let's stay organized. If you not say you lose your key, just come from backstage. Under key. Under car key. If you have lost your key, come behind the backstage. Okay. The person they find in key. I under. Okay. I under.
Greater Nigeria youth. Greater Nigeria youth. Greatest Gbogbo. Greatest Gbogbo. This Obalamba of Etiosa. Ó pàlè tọ́lú yìí. Ó na wà dúgbò. Na wà dúgbò be this o. Na India Miliki be this o. When we say we don't dey mumu, we don't dey mumu. Oya war scammer. Anybody when want to spoil this place, knock out something.
Okay. I beg, make you not spoil this place so that they're not gonna knock you something. No wrong. No wrong. Sit down. 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 Don't go and meet them. Don't run. Don't run. Don't run. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down where you are. Stop running. Down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Everybody sit down. You don't care where you feel run reach. They go. If they see you say you go run, they go attack you. No run. Sit down. Sit down. I need you all to sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Raise your flag. Raise your flag. Raise your flag. Sit down. 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 Everybody sit down. Don't talk to me now. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Hey, guys. Guys. Sit down. Sit down. We dey here with you now. We dey here. 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 No stone anybody. See, all your flag. 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 Hold your flag. Hold your flag. Hold your flag. Sit down. Sit. I don't want to hear it, please. Sit down. Sit down. Nobody they attack us. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe.